You're welcome to my channel, Mindset Academy, where we want to reproduce a figure that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen in isometric projection. The first thing you do when you hear the word isometric projection is for you to draw your isometric axis. That is, drawing your y-axis this way, drawing the y-axis this way, representing the vertical, and drawing the x-axis this way, or the horizontal axis that will represent the y and the z-axis. You can see that. Now, if you look at this, the entire height here is 60, as you can see here. So I am going to measure the height along the y-axis from 0 here to 60. Alright, then the width here is given to be what? 54. That is what you're seeing from the two ends here. So I'll measure 54. Then the other length here is 70. You can see from this point to this point is 70. Can you see that? And I am going to project those points up to get my figure in this fashion. So you do this, and you also do this, and you come here too, and you also do this. Hope you can see that. So I can easily bring this down so we have a clearer view of it. Then I will increase the thickness. Hope you can see that. Now aside that, the next thing you do is you get the center of this figure, which is very important. Get the center of this shape here, right? And the easiest way to get the center of that shape is to join the diagonals. So if I join from here to here, I'll get somewhere around here. And I'll join from here to here, meaning that this point to this point, this is the center here. So this is where they are meeting. Where they meet, that will be the bull's eyes. That will be the center of that figure. So I'm going to just draw my line this way. I will touch here this way. And I'll come here also this way. I'll touch here this way. Can you see that? Now the thickness of this point here you see is 24. That is from here to here 24. Similarly from here to here also what, 24. So I'll measure half of it. From this center here I'll measure 12 to the left, 12 to the right. Also here too I'll measure 12 to the left, 12 to the right. That's what I'm going to do. So I'm going to use my compass, right? It will be better that way and faster. Or I'll just use my instrument, my rule here. When I place it this way, from 0, can you see that? So if I measure 12 here, I'll also measure 12 here. Hope you can see that. I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing here. From 0, I'll measure 12 here. I'll also measure, this is 12 here. I'll also measure 12 here. This is where they are meeting, these 2 points. Use that again. So once I have done that, I'll now take my rule to the logic here. I'll take my rule. I'll just draw my line from here straight down here, from this point also straight down here, and I'll come here too. From this point I marked, draw my line. I am going to end here. Also from here I'll end here. I'll come here too. I'll do the same thing from here. I'm going to end here, and from this point too I'm going to end here. Can you see that? Then I will draw my line from here to touch here, taking it, and from here to touch here. I'll come here too, draw my line to touch here, from here to touch here, and I'll close here up too, as you can see on the screen. And I'll come here also, I'll close it up at this point here. Can you see that? And also I am going to close this point too, and I'll come here too, I'll close this point too, as you can see on the screen. So that is the top there, you can see. Now similarly the other one is coming down from here, straight down from here to here. So this is coming from this point straight down, and this is coming from this point straight down. Right, now the next thing I'm going to do is I'll project this point here. I'll project it down the center line, faint line first, where my arrow is pointing, then a height of 10 away upward. This 10 you see, so I'm going to measure 10 upward. So from 0 up to 10, this is where it reaches. Right, so I'll just simply take my line from here to come and touch that 10. Can you see that? Hope you can see that. I'll also come here too, quickly take my line from here to come and touch here. Can you see that? Now I'm going to take that point straight back this way. Right, now what I'll do is, once you place your instrument here this way, can you see that? Once you place it this way, you can just from here place another instrument at the back here, just like using your line division to draw parallel line, and you move this to that point where you draw this to come and touch here. Hope you can see that. And you close here up. Can you see that? So once you've done that, place your instrument here and you move it here. Draw a line that will come to touch here. Can you see that? And you close here too. Can you see that? And then project this center line downward. Can you see that? And also project this point here. Can you see that? So from that point you measure 10 millimeter upward. From 0, or start from 0, let me start from 0 here to 10, just stopping here. That is where I will draw my line to. Can you see that? But I will just stop here. I will not come here because of the figure is solid. At this end here, I'll just take here down, straight ahead. Can you see that? So what we have here, we have successfully produced the figure that is displayed at the left hand side of the screen in isometric projection. So if you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Thanks for watching.